Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AI Smart Highlight tool in Notepad on your Lenovo Idea Tab Plus tablet. So let's first open our Notepad, which is a pre-installed application on the tablet, and let's open a new handwritten blank sheet. And here let's draw an image of something like, for example, a cat. So let's draw a head of a cat. Let's make ears, eyes, and nose like this, mouth and whiskers. And then let's use the selection tool and draw a circle around cat, and then select sketch to image, and then select the style in which you want to get your cat. The AI will identify style and elements and will draw an image for you. So this way you can easily generate any images for your presentations or for your notes generally. So yeah, the cat isn't the most popular thing to have in your notes, but generally, as an example, I think it will do. So we can use Smart Eraser. If you want to erase something from the generated image, you can circle erase something or brush erase something. You can enable AI Super Resolution if you want to increase the quality of the picture, or you can use Smart Capture. Tap on Smart Capture, then confirm it right here, and the AI will capture the element of your image. Now let's tap Insert and insert this image in here. So it didn't do a good job with eyes, but generally right now we can insert this cat in here and have it in or have them in our notes. And let's erase this picture and let's draw something else. Like, for example, let's draw a horse. And let's circle it too, and let's see what AI does here. I'm not sure whether it's gonna detect a horse or a dog here actually, but let's generate another image and let's then paste it into our document. Okay, it actually drew something weird. Well, I guess it's a horse, but now let's use Smart Capture tool to only capture the horse. Now let's insert the horse in here. Let's use the eraser tool to erase our previously drawn horse. Okay, and right now let's use it with text. So let me, for example, enter the name of the channel, and then let's circle around it, sketch to image, and then instead of 3D cartoon, we want it to have, for example, a sketch. Now let's wait until AI identifies style and elements. And as you can see, it did a good job. So now let's insert this. Let's resize this text, and as you can see, we can use these tools practically for anything on our tablet. So you can, for example, have a geometrical figure. We can actually do this easier using quick tools. So you just have to draw a shape and then let the AI finish it for you. Now let's divide this triangle into two, and let's make it something like this. Okay, and now let's select it like this and use Smart Capture tool, and let's draw another. No, let's select it and use Sketch 2, and then sketch, and then wait until the image is generated. Then, as you can see, it looks like a perfect sketch that you just made on your tablet, and you can have it just like this on your tablet. And that's pretty much everything, and the limit of this feature is simply your creativity. So I hope that you get creative with this tool and make something really cool with it. And I hope that this video helped you with understanding how it works. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.